What you are saying, Sanoy?
Sir, let me think for 1 minute, sir, if I can remember that one.
Yeah. Okay, think.
Sir, I think there are two rules in faJan's rules. Sir, one is that compound more likely to have some covalent character if cation is small, as high charge and high polarizing ability, and the anion is large and or has a higher charge, and it is highly polarizable in itself.
Good. Explain the covalent character in ionic bond. Covalent character in ionic bond. Covalent character in ionic bond. So the covalent character in ionic bond. Is it correct? Yes or no?
Covalent character in ionic bond. Sir, this means that how much like covalent it behaves, that bond behaves.
Yeah. So you said that is smaller the size of what cation, na? Smaller
Yes,
the size of cation.
smaller size of cation,
Cation.
higher is it and higher is its polarizability.
Higher is polarizability. Polarizing power. Higher is polarizing
Sir,
power.
polarizing power, and sir, in case of anion, it will be polarizing ability.
Okay, thank you very much. Higher is polarizing power. Okay, let me check. Let me see. Suppose I am having the LiCl, NaCl.
Sir, can you wait 1 minute, sir? Then I will write this.
Okay. No, I am okay. You take time now. KCl, RbCl. You let me know which is the order of the covalent character. You write the order in this case. Are you listening, Sanoy?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm writing that.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Now you explain, please, this all the points. First one, example I given in the first point. What the point is there is smaller the size of cation, higher is the polarizing power. Okay. So out of these four compounds are there. which will have the greater covalent character, whether LiCl, NaCl, KCl or RbCl?
Sir, smaller ions are among this Li, Na, K, Rb.
So what will be the order? Write down the order.
Yes, sir. Sir, first, sir, let me write down these 4 points. Sir, last one I'm writing.
Okay. Mhm. Done.
No, sir, once almost.
Today you are writing very slow.
Sir, actually, in the between, sir, the ink of the pen went off. So, sir, I have to take.
Okay. Done, Sanoy? Hello?
Sir, done.
Okay. The first example you check. The first rule and example. What you are going to say about that? Rule number 1. Smaller the size of cation, higher is the polarizing power. How can you say this is the how will you say that a smaller size cation is having high polarizing power? On what basis you will say? See, this is what the cation is there, right? How the cation is formed when it is electron is transferred to the anion? Yes or no? Electron
Yes.
transfer to anion. So, in case of the cation anion, which will have the larger size? Which will have the larger size out of cation and anion?
Sir, anion will have the larger size.
Anion will have the larger size. Suppose this is the size of the anion. Okay. But what is happening? That is, what it is the acquiring the larger size. Anion require the larger size. There is no problem in that. But what will
No, sir.
happen after some time? What will happen? The cation is start pulling the electron. Cation electron start the pulling the electron. Now, if you see the HCl is there, total electron density are here. All the electron density are here. But because of being the size is small size, what will do? So this is the otherwise you can see NaCl. All the electron are there towards the Cl. So here this become the plus and minus. But in case of the small cation, this shared electron are going to be in the center. So once the shared electron is going to come in the center here, in the center, so it will act as a what? Shared electron. This will be the covalent. Covalent means the both the electrons should be in the center. Yes or no? Yes
Sir,
or
I did
no?
not understand this one. Sir, can you repeat once again?
See, if the electron are there on only one atom, all the electron are there shared electron on one atom, so it will require the negative charge, partial negative. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And it will require the positive charge. What the point
Yes.
they are saying, that is, if this ion is positive charge is a small ion, so it will attract the electron. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So when the attracting the electron, this shared electron, where it will go? It will come near the center. So if it is coming the center, so bond will be acting as a covalent. If the, what is the covalent bond? Because the equal sharing of electron, if suppose HH are there, so one
Yes, sir. So
electron,
the
one electron.
electrons are in the center only, na?
Electron in the center means covalent. Electron in the center means covalent. But electron in
So here
the
also due to the partial positive charge, the electron is coming near the center only.
but no, in all the cases it will not come in the center, na. If the
Yes, sir.
size of cation is small, then it will come. Otherwise, the electron will be here near the chlorine. So if all the electron are near the chlorine, so it will be negative, it will be positive. So it will be ionic. Ionic bond is formed by complete transfer of electron. Yes or no? And covalent is
Yes,
formed
sir.
by sharing of equal sharing of electron. Sharing of electron. So now come here. Here you see. So here you are saying small the size of cation, higher is the polarizing power. Higher is the polarizing power. That is what we can say. That is greater covalent character. Greater covalent. So let me covalent character. So explain this one. Example, which is more covalent character? LiCl, NaCl, KCl, RbCl.
Sir, here in LINAK. Sir, sir, how to understand the size of cation from that one, sir, periodic table?
Yeah. Size of cation is similar to the same trend, size of cation, size of anion. Atomic radii, trend of atomic radii is the same of the radii of cation and anion. Same trend down the group and in the period.
They are increasing down the group, na?
Increasing down the group, yes. Why increasing? Because number of cell increases.
Number of electrons is more. LINAK.
Today you are
Sir,
not.
this one is already given in order only, sir. Only this.
Yeah. Very good. Super. So this is the decreasing order of covalent character. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next example you check. Can you check the next example? Second
Yes,
rule.
sir, doing. Sir, doing.
With the reason you need to explain. What happened? Where are you?
Sir, here only. Size of banana. Sir,
Not
larger size of banana means, sir, this will also come down according to the group only, na? IBr, CL and F. Larger the size of banana, greater, more covalent character. Okay. Covalent character.
What it will happen in case wait.
Iodine, bromine, chlorine, chlorine.
For covalent character, you need to bring the electron, shared electron in the center, 2 electron in the center. Then it will become.
Sir, it is having this iodine. Sir, first ClF, LiF, na. Sir, first it will come F, then Cl, Br, then I. Smaller sizes.
No, this is the correct order. Why? See, if I will talk about LiI, LiBr, LiCl, or LiH, right? Keep in mind, the iodine is large size. Iodine is large size. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
its attraction power is less. Attraction power is less. If the size is large, so attracting electron is less or no? Less or more? Attraction is less,
Sir,
na?
attraction, sir, yes, sir. Iodine size is less means attraction is less.
So iodine size is more, so attraction, because there are many cells are there, many cells. So you cannot attract the electron. Its own electron it cannot attract. Okay, because size is, and its size is very small. So it can attract. So what is happening? So iodine electron automatically will go towards the lithium atom, and lithium also attracting. So what is happening here? The two electron will come in the center. So once the electron coming in the center, that will become the covalent. So in this case, iodine polarizability is more. It is going to polarize very fast. So if it is going to polarize very fast, means it is what? It is going to give the electron here easily. If it is, because fluorine is most electronegative, it cannot give the electron. Fluorine never give it never give the electron. It always try to pull in the electron. So if it is pulling the electron, it will be having more ionic character. Fluorine is having more ionic character, but iodine having less ionic character. Why? Because it can easily give the electron in the center. Here electron will go and it can attract. But here lithium cannot attract electron from fluorine, because its electronegativity is how much? Electronegativity is 4. Highest electronegativity. Electronegativity. It never form the positive. So it will be, I don't know, are you be able to understand or not? This is the order of the
Sir,
covalent.
I'm able to understand.
This is the order of covalent character. Order of covalent character. You need to think on it. Covalent character. You need to think more and more, then it will be automatically, it will become easy. Okay, third one. More the charge on cation and anion. Anything it can be. Greater the covalent character. Whether the anion you take or the cation you take. Greater will be covalent character. If the anion is there, it will size will increase, so it will easily polarized. It will polarizability increase, so it will give the electron easily. So electron will come in the center, covalent character will increase. So what will happen here? LiCl3, MgCl2, NaCl. Okay, tell me.
LCl3 more the charge and more the covalent. LCl3, MgCl2, NaCl. Sir, covalent character will be highest in LCl3, then MgCl2, then NaCl.
Thank you very much. Because Al is having the more charge, na? Al is 3 plus. So it will take the electron faster. It will attract the electron faster. Yes or no? So electron
Yes, sir.
will come in the center and it will act like the covalent, as like the they are shared electron. Pseudo configuration. What is pseudo configuration? What is pseudo configuration?
Sir, pseudo configuration. Sir, this one I did not understand, sir. Only this one.
Pseudo configuration means 18 electron. 18 octet is having 18 valence electron. 18 valence electron. 18 valence electron. Pseudo configuration means 18 valence electron, not 8. So they are saying that if it is the pseudo configuration, like the copper, you see the copper configuration. Copper is 29. How much is coming? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d I don't know, 4s2. So this is how much is there? 3d10, no? 4s1. So here how many electron are there? 18 electron. 10, 6 to 8, 18 electron. So this type of configuration is considered to be pseudo configuration. Pseudo configuration. So if there is pseudo configuration, so in this case, polarization is the polarizing power increases. Are you be able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
So this type of configuration.
Sir, please wait 1 second, sir. I want to see this one once.
Okay, check.
3s2, 3p6, 3d10. Sir, like instead of bringing that 4s2, they're directly getting into the 3d10 only, na? So that is why here at the end, if we take only the 3 orbitals, then we are having 118 electron one.
Yeah.
Well,
After
it's like a partial noble gas.
see, this is what I think I am. CuCl is there, na? What is the oxidation state here? Cu plus. Yes or no? One
Yes, sir.
positive charge. So one positive charge means how many electron? How many electron? One positive charge means 28 electron. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 28 electron means what? It is going to be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Then it will be 3s2, 3p6, 3d10. 3d10. This electron gone. So 3d10 means what? If 3d10 means how many valence electron? 18 valence electron. Not able to understand. 18 valence electron.
Sir, understood.
18 valence electron is called pseudo configuration. Pseudo configuration. In this case, its polarizing power is very high. So once it is polarizing power is high, so it will have the more covalent character, right? The order will be like that. This is the normal octet in NaCl. Are you be able to understand this? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
very
understood.
good. Okay, good. Now, what the topic we have to understand next one you are saying percentage ionic character. See, there is the three cases I am writing A, B. Again A, B. How much time left? I need to find out.